Mandal Commission case. Mandal Commission talks about positive discrimination for Indian citizens. There is a huge debate whether to have reservation or not. So in that, even disabled people are also being given that 3% positive discrimination. If the positive discrimination, we are arguing that it is not correct. But in fact, why are the private corporate companies are not extending that? Private companies are not duty bound to give any job. I myself, I am a testimony to that. I have attended 15 interviews in last 1 year, all from top-notch companies. Do you guys find any difficulty with my communication?
No.
Am I good in English, whatever I speak? Is it audible and is it coherent? Right? I may be able to contribute, right? Now, none of the reasons have been cited to me, but none of these 15 top-notch companies have taken me inside for job. It includes Ernst & Young, Hyundai, all top-notch companies, all blue-chip companies. And they didn't take me for a rocket science ISR one. I didn't go for ISR. I went only for a corporate social responsibility. Despite being a doctor myself, a qualified psychiatric epidemiologist, I have been not taken exam. So this is the reality. It's the private companies. Inequalities. These private companies are not duty bound by law. Nothing, no law in this country mandates that disabled people will have to be taken for jobs. When we are even in government jobs, identification of disabled people itself is a huge issue. At least you have got some good number. Fine. So let's start from there. The policies itself are very different. There is somewhere around 1,500 laws in this country which uses derogatory words on disabled people and extremely limiting disabled people in participating. Many laws will say if somebody is with unsound mind, in the sense a person with mental impairment or mental illness, and he is completely debarred. He doesn't even have a legal capacity. Asian College of Journalism, so you leave all the students, all the faculties. The institution per se is called a legal person in front of law. ACJ itself is a legal person. But a human person is not a legal person in the court of law. Article 12 of UNCRPD says legal capacity must be given to anybody who is a human. Right? Even for a criminal, we are able to give, a history sheet a criminal. He does enjoy human rights. If a police wala beats a history sheeter inside the court, won't he be gets suspended? If he is able to enjoy human rights, why not a disabled person with mental impairment or mental illness be given the same human rights value? But he is not even a person. He cannot sue himself in the court of law. That's the reality. Very equality. See, the word equality is a highly inflated term in this country. Equality. Private companies don't give. See that there's a lot of politics in it. The Companies Act, which was passed some 1.5 months before, they've got a special section on 135. Section 135 of Companies Law talks about corporate social responsibility. How much? I'll give a different turn to that. They should do a socially responsible business first of all. That is a big thing. Hyundai in Korea, when we visited, they produce all assistive devices in Korea for Korean refineries. But in India, when I went for a CSR job, they first of all, the moment they came to know I'm a disabled instructor, number one, do they at least can you, even if you are ready to pay, 5 lakh is the Eon, right? Icon or whatever it is. 8 lakhs. Okay. I-10. If you are even ready to pay another 1 lakh, okay, will you get a company-made compatible disabled friendly Hyundai i10? Can you give me one car in India which is company-made disabled friendly car? You will have to buy the car. Now, these guys don't do a responsible business, right? I-10, I-20, I will have to procure and I will have to remodel it. I won't get a company-made remodeled or assistively designed company car. I will have to buy and remodel it. And they give